All of us know that health is wealth. We should understand the value of health. In a healthy state, we can enjoy the life. Unhealthy condition, life will be more miserable. If you want to maintain your health, it is within us, within what type of food, what type of drinks have to take. Most important thing, timely food, peace of mind, sound sleep, exercise. These are the most important things for maintaining sound health. A sound body and sound mind is a healthy mind. Suppose a person is physically okay, but mentally is not perfect. He is not a healthy man. Body and mind are changing connected. If you have mental problem, it is connected to your physical body and mind are changing connected. So always try to be both mind and body perfect. This means perfectly healthy person. We are like what we eat. Try to take more vegetable food. It is easy to digest. Drink plenty of water. Minimum 6 to 8 hours sound sleep must be. Then, one thing we have to understand, we are actually vegetarians. Our ancestors lived in the jungle years and years back. In those days, they used to eat raw meat of the animals, drink the blood of the animals. They take the unhealthy conditioned food, and they were not educated. They were not civilized. But after thousands of years, now we are in electronic stage, but still we are not changed. We are really vegetarian. See our frame of body, our nest state. It is suitable only for vegetarian food. It gives more satisfaction, happiness, easy to digest, and it affects our behavior, brain. For example, what is a lion and tiger used to eat? They eat meat. So they become very aggressive and jump on other animals. But a cow, a goat or a sheep or deer, they are so calm and quiet animal because they are eating vegetables. Means you are like what you eat, very important. Then we think our life is to enjoy. A healthy body is the gustoes of our soul. Unhealthy body is cross is a burden for the soul. In the healthy state, we can enjoy the beauty and art of life. That is most important. This is within us, within you, what to take, what type of food. Timely food is most important. I have seen many businessmen, they are making crores of rupees, but they forget to take timely food. Sometimes 1 o'clock, sometimes 3 o'clock, sometimes 5 o'clock. So this is not correct. We should take the food in the correct time and drink plenty of water, purified water. Then we can avoid medicine and all. Unfortunately, now we are consuming dangerous food containing poisonous vegetarian and non-vegetarian. We are not getting any fresh item for enjoying. This is also a main problem. I have heard many foreign people, they are maintaining good health. They are drinking alcohol but made out of pure fruits, apple, grape. They are not mixing any chemicals and all. I know I work among the foreigners. They are take drinks after the food, but Indians take before food, an empty stomach. That's very dangerous. Alcohol is very dangerous. You should understand what type of food you are eating. Many Indians are spoiling their life because they are drinking alcohol, not good quality. They are not quality conscious. Foreigners always first give priority for food. Then they take the sipping their drinks. They take many times to finish that, even one glass of wine or whiskey or brandy. But Indians are not like that. Very fast drinking. It's affect our liver. Liver is so soft. Once the liver is spoiled, doctor cannot do anything. It is many Indians are under liver problem. Before they reach around 44, 50, they are under liver problem because of the drinking and not bothered about good food and other things. So we should be conscious about what type of food we are drinking. This also affects our brain as well as our body. A foreigner in Melbourne, Australia, 112 years old, one day one of my friends has gone to Australia, and that aged man, above 100 years, working in a paddy field. What is this? But a man in India, 60 or 65 years, lying in the bedroom with a lot of medicine and other items. He is under treatment of any doctors, not only one doctor, different doctor, taking different type of medicine before completing 60 or 65. But that person in Western countries, they are conscious about health. That's why that man, about 112 years old, working in the paddy field, healthy. Somebody asked him, could you tell us what is secret of your sound health? He replied, the four things I told you earlier. Timely food, sound sleep, peace of mind, free from tension, and drink plenty of water. If you follow these tips, we can also maintain. That is what he said. So let us concentrate our health. We should be health conscious. We can mold and make a lot of healthy people. We want more healthy people in our country. We want more healthy man, women to develop our country. That is most important. Thank you.
Health and healthy body and healthy mind. Okay, and health is wealth. Okay, then health is wealth, really, that is that. But how to make that real health in our just society? Because now we can see that Corona just affected lakhs of people and they lost their life because of that. They lacked immunity to withstand this pandemic disease. So we could make out that our immunity to just withstand certain kind of disease is not up to the mark, because maybe the reason might be so many, in the sense that maybe that government lacks in some kind of just what is that, to make each and every one under just primary health department. It is possible, but the governments are not that much cared about before that. Okay, just after the corona affected only, they might be thinking about how to just contain this pandemic disease and all that. And in Kerala especially, our government know how to control it properly, because they were just thinking for what is that, for certain years, maybe 4 years back, just we were planning just a vast method to just how to contain this kind of pandemic disease. Okay, so it is that the health department is playing a most important role in just containing this kind of disease. But health is wealth in the sense that each and every person have to be healthy. How to be healthy? Just have good food. Good food is not enough to make you healthy, because if your mind is not so healthy, then it is not, you can't say that you are healthy. Just mind and body have to be it's a joint venture. Just because to just get the best out of a person, you have to be healthy in mind and body. To mind, you have to feed your mind with good thoughts. Then you will be more just vibrant always. And to keep your body healthy, you have to do exercise. That exercise will make you that your muscles will be so strong that you then no disease will easily affect you. Okay, so it is that you are getting immune to the disease also because of the exercise. And exercising your mind by new ideas every day, that is also is the duty of yourself. Because reading good books and good conversing with good people, also just getting more and more ideas to each other, and just combined ideas will be making more more replenishing your brain with more thoughts. Okay, so the best part of just health is that your mind also have to be healthy and our body has to be always healthy. Nowadays we can see that the some kind of mentality is that just children are just falling just as criminals because of lack of support from the parents, in the sense that they are not thinking about their just offsprings in the right way. According to me, maybe I may be right or wrong, I don't know, but according to me, a dose of love is missing from the parents, and because of that, the children are just misguided by other the companions, or somebody else will be taking the advantage of that the vacuum of love, because the real love from the parents can make the children more just complete. Because that love is missing, then our society will be just suffering because of them. But they are also suffering because they are not getting enough time to spend lives in free, because they will be put into jail because of some reason. We can say so many just kind of crimes are happening because of the lack of just parents' real intervention between their offsprings and themselves. Because lack of love is the main reason why these criminals numbers are arising. So the parents have to be little cautious, because if you don't know how to just groom your children, then don't just bring them to this world, because there will be a burden for themselves and yourselves, and you are also burden to the world. Because parents are the real reason why these children are so. Because it is, you are not just, you can't escape that just claim, because you are the real culprit, because you made this child. Okay, the dose of love is missing from this world. So we have to, maybe the children will not get that love, then we have to give that love or affection towards that children from the society also, because it is our duty. Just love is the most important component that can play a most important role in this world. Because with lack of love is creating all kinds of problems. Because it may be that except that kind of love, in the sense that lovers love, maybe it is not that up to the mark according to me, because they are not getting enough time to just spend, or just they are not getting the meaning of real love. That kind of one reason. But the parents' love can just doctor, an apple can keep the doctor away, like that the parents' love can keep the crime away from the child, according to me. So give more love, then that health of the child will be improving. Because we are telling that, oh, healthy body is there, but it is not enough. Healthy body is only that minute part of the life, but healthy mind is the most important role. Because that mind which will be thinking about positive of others, rather than just insulting or hurting others. That kind of mentality, if the children are expressing that just wild nature, then the parents have to take care of them little more carefully. So it is our responsibility to just create a better society, because society is that the society is comprised of just family. Family means parents and child. Child is coming out and just it's a nuisance to society. That means the parents are the real culprit. So to me, health is wealth, but that wealth is coming from each and every family. That particular members are responsible for each other's well-being. So we have to respect. Even a child is just fond of respect and love, and so the parents have to just share their responsibility to more love than more money, because nowadays it is happening that more money is there, so parents are thinking that they can buy all the things for the child and their responsibility is over. It is not like that. Just now we could hear that one girl just lost her life because of the just dowry gave, that was just ransom, in the sense that never give that more dowry or something to just make happiness or something. It is rubbish. Okay, just always keep some kind of just measurement while giving or taking, because that money is not the quotient to make anybody else happiness. So we have to just be cautious. Just others will be just little bit what is happening, their eyes will be just wondering, oh God, they deserve this much money. So then their just what is that want for more is just happening, and then it is going beyond whatever the parents might be thinking their daughter will be more enjoying in their family. But to me, just always a measurement should be there in just what is that giving a dowry or something. And just what is that each parents are just maybe that boy also, just parents might have seen that this boy was just doing some worse thing, so the parents have to be just give some just what is that give some ultimatum to just to stop like that things and all that. Okay, so what is that our we have to we have simply we can say that health is wealth, but to me health is wealth, but in what sense? What is that means? Means it is more than that. Health is wealth in the sense that almost all each and every persons in the family is happy towards each other, and not only to each other, to just whatever they are committed to others or neighbors or whatever, they will be just respecting others. Like that environment, we could say that health is wealth. Otherwise, to me, health is wealth. What kind of health and what kind of wealth? I couldn't make out exactly. In our society, that health is wealth, really. But to make a sensible just way, according to me, is that we have to give some just sensible mechanism to just weigh that what is happening to our health and what is happening to that kind of health is wealth, in the sense that I am not getting that exact point to just explain, in the sense that I am just little bit confused that our society is just more confused in that sense. Our health society is not so healthy in that sense. We have to make our society more healthy by just adding more just what is that more meaningful just rather than utterances, just interventions, meaningful interventions, just that can cure the whatever that missing from our society's healthy wealth. Okay.